Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Sing with me.
Hi everyone, how's it going? I'm very pleased to present our new program about Sunrise One with alphabet letter. Let's start. Hi kiddies, nice to meet you today. I want to talk about a new letter. The name of this letter is D. Please kiddies, look at the data show and open your book, page 24.
Students' Book, Unit 7, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
Hello, Max. Hello, Rose. Meow. Hello, Cat. I'm Rose. What's this, Rose? A cat? No, it's a duck.
Students' Book, Unit 7, Lesson 1. Listen and clap.
D, d, d.
Duck,
D, d, d.
duck.
Students' Book, Unit 7, Lesson 3. Listen, say, and play.
Listen, listen, quack, quack, quack. I'm a duck. Listen, listen, meow, meow, meow. I'm a cat.
Here comes the letter D. D is for dolphin, D, D, dolphin. D is for deer, D, D, deer. D is for dance, D, D, dance. D is for drive, D, D, drive. D is for draw, D, D, draw. D is for desk, D, D, desk. D is for daughter, D, D, daughter. D is for down, D, D, down. D is for duck, D, D, duck. D D is for dog, dog. D is for difficult, difficult. D is for dinner, dinner.
Now I will show you the letter. We have this box and let's check it. This letter is uppercase D and it is capital letter. And this one is lowercase d and it is small letter. We have some word about the letter. Duck. Duck. Dog. Dog. Dolphin. Dolphin. Dove. Dove. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Now I will show you a video how to write the letter.
Hi kids! Welcome to our classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter D. D as in dolphin. First we'll start with uppercase or big D. To write uppercase D, we'll start at the top and draw a straight line all the way down to the bottom. Then we'll go back to the top and do a curved line all the way to the bottom. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start at the top and do a straight line all the way down to the bottom. Then go back to the top and do a curved line all the way down to the bottom. Great work! Now you try. Great job! Now let's move on to lowercase or little d. To write lowercase d, we'll start at the top and do a straight line all the way down to the bottom. Then we'll go to the middle and do a curved line down to the bottom. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start at the top and do a straight line all the way down to the bottom. Then we'll go to the middle and do a curved line all the way down to the bottom. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now you know how to write the letter D.
Let's together write down the letter with your board. Open your activity book, page 23. All of you, please trace the letter.
letter D. This is a capital D. This is a lowercase d. You know how the D looks now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 d. D, 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 d. Yes! D is for dog. D is for dinner. D is for dinosaur. And D is for duck. D is for doctor. D is for dancing. You know some D words now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 d. D, 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 d. Your turn. D, 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 d. D.
Let's do many alphabet activity. The first alphabet activity is color alphabet activity. Good job. Good job. Very good. Very good. Well done. The second alphabet activity is find alphabet activity. Kids, you should find the letter. The last alphabet activity is caps alphabet activity. You should make the letter and find D. I hope this program it will be very useful for you. See you next time. Have a nice time. Goodbye.
H I J K L M N